Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best indoor TV antennas in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best indoor TV antennas in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your entertainment with this powerful upgraded TV antenna. Designed to deliver crystal clear digital channels from an incredible 3,200 plus mile range. Perfect for smart TVs, this indoor and outdoor antenna captures local HD channels including news, sports, movies, and shows without monthly cable fees. Its advanced signal booster and enhanced amplifier ensures stable reception, reduced noise, and sharper picture quality even in weak signal areas. The sleek, compact design blends easily into any home and allows flexible placement near a window, wall, or outdoors for maximum performance. Installation is quick and simple. Just plug it into your TV, scan for channels, and enjoy free HD content instantly. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it performs reliably in all seasons. Whether you live in an apartment, house, or rural area, this digital TV antenna provides long-range coverage, strong signal strength, and consistent viewing quality, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to cut the cord and enjoy dependable, high-definition television today now. Number 2. The HIDB TV antenna for smart TV indoor is the perfect solution for enjoying free local channels in stunning HD and 4K quality. Designed with advanced signal boosting technology, this digital indoor antenna delivers long-range reception, ensuring clear and stable viewing of news, sports, movies, and local programs without monthly cable fees. Its strong magnetic base allows flexible placement on metal surfaces, walls, or near windows for optimal signal strength. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply plug it into your TV, scan for channels, and start watching. The compact, modern design blends seamlessly into any home decor, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, dorms, or offices. Compatible with smart TVs and most digital TVs, the HIDB antenna supports full HD and 4K broadcasts for crystal clear picture quality. Save money while enjoying reliable performance and easy setup with the HIDB indoor TV antenna. Your smart choice for high-quality, free local TV entertainment. Number 3. Upgrade your home entertainment with a digital TV antenna for smart TV indoor. Designed for 2025 viewing needs. This HDTV antenna delivers clear, stable signals with 360 degrees reception and long-range performance, helping you access local channels without monthly fees. The strong magnetic base allows quick, secure placement on TVs, metal surfaces, or shelves, while the compact indoor design blends easily into any room. Enjoy smooth picture quality for news, sports, movies, and family shows, even in areas with weaker signals. Setup is fast and beginner-friendly. Just connect, scan for channels, and start watching. Built for modern smart TVs, this indoor antenna supports reliable reception for daily use and travel flexibility. Whether you live in an apartment, dorm, or house, this antenna is a practical solution for free over-the-air TV. Simple, powerful, and cost-saving, it's an ideal upgrade for cord cutters seeking dependable local channel access. Durable materials ensure long-term performance, making it a reliable choice for everyday indoor television viewing experience anywhere. Number 4. Upgrade your home entertainment with this digital TV antenna for smart TV. Designed for clear, reliable viewing without expensive cable subscriptions. Perfect for modern households, this indoor TV antenna delivers 360 degrees reception, allowing you to enjoy local HD channels with enhanced signal stability. Whether you're watching news, sports, or movies, the antenna supports full HD and 4K ready broadcasts for sharp picture quality and immersive sound. The strong magnetic base ensures secure placement on metal surfaces, making installation quick and hassle-free, no drilling or tools required. Its 10 ft long coaxial cable offers flexible positioning, so you can place the antenna where reception is strongest, compact and stylish. It blends easily into any room without clutter. Ideal for TVs without cable, this antenna is energy efficient and budget-friendly, helping you cut monthly bills while staying connected to free over-the-air channels. Simple to set up and dependable in performance, it's a smart choice for cord cutters seeking quality and convenience. Number 5. Upgrade your TV experience with a smart TV antenna for local channels. Designed to deliver clear, free HD broadcasts right to your home. This indoor TV antenna features long-range 360 degrees reception, allowing it to capture signals from multiple directions for more stable and reliable viewing. Enjoy popular local channels, news, sports, and entertainment without expensive cable bills or monthly fees. The digital antenna supports easy installation. Simply plug it into your TV, scan for channels, and start watching within minutes. Its sleek, compact design blends seamlessly into any room and works efficiently whether placed near a window or mounted on a wall. Compatible with all smart TVs and older TV models, this antenna ensures wide usability across households. Built with advanced signal-enhancing technology, it provides sharper picture quality and improved sound clarity. Durable, energy efficient, and user-friendly, this smart TV antenna is the perfect solution for anyone seeking affordable, high-quality local television reception with minimal setup and maximum performance.